Hi everyone, my name is Orlando, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install R and RStudio. So first you're going to go to the following website, cran.rproject.org/bin, and then depending if you have a Mac computer or a Windows computer, for instance, in my case, I have a Mac computer, so I'll type Mac OS X. If instead you have a Windows computer, you will type bin/Windows/base/ and then you can go to this website. And again, if you have Windows, you can download the most recent version of R over here. So in my case, I have a Mac OS, so I'll download R over here. This will give me the most recent version, and while this is downloading, I will go ahead and also download RStudio. So please go to rstudio.com, then hit download over here, and then you can select the free desktop version. And again, I have a Mac OS computer, so I will select this one. If you have a Windows computer, select this one. If you're running Linux, then choose the most appropriate one. Okay, so I will go ahead now and install R. Continue, agree. Sure. And now I will install RStudio. Okay, now I'm just gonna run RStudio to make sure everything is working properly. Sure. Okay,